Last concept for notes 9.2 is converting between degrees and radians. To convert between or from degrees to radians, you're going to multiply degrees by the measure of pi over 180 degrees. To change from radians to degrees, you're going to multiply the radian measure by 180 degrees over pi radians. All radians will have the pi symbol except for the 0. And then all degrees will have that little degree symbol. You should not have any pi in any degrees measure. Okay. Concept 3, converting between degrees and radians. Alright, so convert the degree measure from radians to degrees and degrees to radians. Alright, here we go. So I'm going to start with A, 120 degrees. It is degrees. I'm going to convert it to radians. I'm going to use this one, degrees to radians, right here. So it's a pi radians over 180 degrees. Okay, and I'm going to look to cancel and cross cancel. I can cancel out the degrees right off the bat, being left with radians. And then the zeros I can cancel out, right? And now I have 12/18ths that I can simplify to 6 goes into both of them, right? 2/3. Alright, so then I multiply those across, and I get 2 pi over 3, and that is in radians. You don't have to write the radians, I'm just writing it here. But there you go. Second one, I have negative pi over 12, and that is in radians. And what I'm going to do is multiply by 180 over pi. So negative pi over 12 multiplied by 180 degrees over pi. Okay, look to cross cancel. In this case, I can cancel out my pi's, right? And 180 divided by 12 is 15. Multiply across, and I get negative 15 degrees. And done. Alright, for number 6, you're going to do the exact same thing. Give it a try. Pause now, because I'm going to go ahead and show the answers. Okay. There are answers. Alright, the last thing we have here is a unit circle. And it has degrees and radians measures on it. And with this, it's just a good tool that you can use. You are not asked to memorize this in Algebra 2. You may be asked to memorize this in pre-calculus. But for our class, you are not. Here it is. It's just as a tool that you can use to convert degrees to radians or vice versa. Just something in your notes you can look back at. Alright, that's it.